Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader.
Alright guys, another edition of Ask John. Loving these short little videos. Another Ask John video is, someone asked me, and you might be actually watching this video right now, but someone asked me on my video just recently, what volatility index do I actually trade if these things are going to crack? Because if these things are going to crack, the volatility index is going to spike, right? It just makes sense. The more the market drops, the faster, and the more the market drops, the more the volatility spikes. So what I personally like to trade, and I'm not saying you should trade it right now. You need a system, you need a method, you need a way of trading this. But I like to trade the VIX, the VIX. And the reason why is because there's a lot of reasons why, but I just like to personally trade that. Now I trade options over that, and what I've been doing over the last say actually probably a couple of months is I've been buying a ton of call options with the long dated expirations, and also sometimes short dated expirations, like a couple of months through actually September, October next year, or September, October this year expiration. I've been buying a lot of call options on that because I'm expecting the market to come down over the next couple of months, and then the volatility is going to spike and I'm going to do well. Well, that's the theory anyway. No one knows. The market could keep going up and the volatility index stays low for another 6 months, and I lose money on those trades. That's obviously just the things that you take, you know, the risk you take if you trade in the market. But that's the volatility index I trade, and that's how I personally trade it as well too. So, and if you're looking for more of a safer, make sure you're buying in the money options as well too. So if you want to trade something like the VIX, my recommendation is buy long dated options with deep in the money, first or second in the money, or second or third in the money. That's what I do say. They move the less, but they're much less riskier. It's always protecting your capital. So VIX, I trade options over that. 90% or 80% of my trades I've been doing is a first or second in the money with long expirations, and I've got about 10 to 20% of my positions on the VIX are very short term, out of the money options that are very volatile. But if the market drops over the next couple of weeks, then I'm going to do really well with that as well too, because the VIX is going to spike. I'm going to be very happy. So anyway, this is where I'm at right now. None of these positions are real. There's some of them are in okay profit, but yeah, if the market does drop, the volatility is going to spike, and I'm going to be happy with that. It may not spike. That's why I say I'm not telling you what to do. This may lose money, but I've definitely got into this position knowing the reason why I got into this position, not just I'm getting into it now because I'm getting into it now. I still waited for a right time to get into the VIX, you know what I mean? And that's what I've been doing over the last couple of months. So anyway guys, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this. That's what I do say, guys, about trading the VIX and trading the volatility index, and why I like to trade it and why I like to do that.
Hey, it's John Howell here, and thanks so much for watching my video. You see, I'm putting out daily videos and education on helping you learning the art of successful trading. So click on the subscribe button to keep up to date with every video I do. Also, check out my story video, $250,000 in debt, cancer, overweight, family passing away, lived on the streets, and more, and how I overcome it and now thriving through my life. This is here to motivate you, so click on that image to watch my video. And lastly, if you're struggling with your trading, then you need to see my latest webinar where I'm sharing with you an amazing strategy that allows you to generate an income without getting the direction right. So click on that image on this page to register for my next free webinar. This is John Howell here. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.